Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. If you would, if this is your first time to my channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time when I make a video. And also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Right now, I'm recording a case study on My Lead Gen Secrets. That's a platform where you get 100 leads every single day for $1. And with my case study, I am using 2 accounts. And with that, my first account gets 100 bonus leads every single day. So it's getting 200 accounts, all because when I created my second account, I created it underneath my first account. So it gets 100 bonus leads every single day. And my second account still gets 100 leads. So that's 300 leads every single day for $2. So the case studies that I've seen on YouTube, most of them are using 5 accounts. Some of them are using 7 accounts. The more accounts, the better. I'll just say that. But this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're just starting off with 100 leads and 200 leads, it is going to take time to get that first sale. So just be patient. It could take a month. It could take 2 months. But right now we're just building up these leads. And once you see how many leads that I have already, you'll see what I'm talking about. Starting from just 100 leads. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to sign into my ClickBank. Also, the links to My Lead Gen Secret, there's a link down low that you can click on to get to My Lead Gen Secrets. And there's also a link down below that you can get to ClickBank. We're going to be promoting ClickBank products. Ooh. All right, doesn't look like we got any sales yesterday. But like I said, I didn't send out any emails. I didn't do nothing yesterday. Didn't record a video. Just a bad day yesterday. So right now I'm going to click on my account name, my account nickname. All right, I'm going to click on reporting. And check this out. Yesterday was May 5th, 5/5 right here. Even though I didn't send out any emails, I still had 300 hops. Excuse me. Still got 300 hops just from the emails that I sent out previously. Like from all these other days that I've been doing this. So that's a good thing about this business. Let me see. Tracking IDs. Yep, still the same for MLGS2. Still got the 220 hops. All right, now we're going to click on Marketplace up here. I was just checking my stats real quick. We're going to click on Marketplace. Hold up, I did say we got. I need to see how many hops we got. 1556. We got no sales. And we're at 1556 hops. So we're going to try to get another sale before we get to 2,000 hops. Let's see if we can do it. All right, so to do this, we're going to click on Marketplace. And then we're going to scroll down to e-business and e-marketing. The leads that we are getting from My Lead Gen Secrets, they are all trying to make money online. So this is the category that they fall under. They're not trying to learn how to cook. They're not playing video games, and they're not trying to lose weight. So you can only use the e-business and e-marketing category for these leads. Also know if you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting other products that fall underneath this category, you can also use the links in your emails to promote whatever you're promoting. So you just don't have to use ClickBank links inside of My Lead Gen Secrets, if that makes sense. Like I'm promoting other products. That's why whenever I started this, I don't promote ClickBank products. I promote other things, but I still use My Lead Gen Secrets, if that makes sense. But I'm just using this for ClickBank just for this case studies. So right now we're going to do gravity. You want to sort everything by gravity. This is the one we've been promoting. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So I'm going to right click on the affiliate page right here. And it's going to open it up in a new tab. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on email swipes because we're going to be sending out some emails. Now I need to get signed in to My Lead Gen Secrets. This is what it looks like whenever you get signed in. You'll come to this page right here. And what you want to do is you want to click on mailing system. Also, if this is the first video you're watching of this series, go back and watch the first one. I explain every single thing, like slowly, on how to get things set up and what exactly we're doing. So if you're watching me right now, I'm just speeding through it, sending out my emails, and I'm just talking you through the steps that I'm doing. But I slowly explain everything in the first video of the playlist. So go back and watch that one. That way you're not lost. And that way you'll know how to set up your other accounts too. So right here, we're going to click on mailing system. It brings us to this page. We're going to click select all. See, I got 28,400 leads just because I get 200 leads every single day. Now we're going to get the subject from our email swipes over here. So we're going to copy this. That's our subject. So we're going to put that in the subject line. I like to put a $sign in front of things like that because it makes it look better. 175 bucks. Today chatting on Facebook. There we go. That looks good. And then where it says erase the email body, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to come back here and get our email body. Copy everything down to where it says signature. Do not copy the landing page or the affiliate link. So we're going to copy that. We're going to paste that right in there. Now what I like to do is, I like to do the 0 through 9 trick. And I'm going to do that 4 times. I just like to cut my emails off. I don't want them to go past this 9 right here. So whenever I get to this word with, I'm just going to start a new line. And I like to do that in my notepad because doing it in here is kind of weird. So I'm just going to open up my notepad real quick. Signature, where it says signature, here, I'll wait to do that. I'm gonna do it with the word with. I'm just gonna move that down. That way the email just looks a lot better and it's not just going on and on and on. You see, that would have been very hard to read. All right. Now we're going to copy and paste this into this box right here. I just messed up. I didn't copy it. All right, copied. All right, I messed up somewhere. Did it say pay $175 a day? Oh, I guess I didn't keep going. I'm the one. Duh, Eve, duh. My fault, y'all. Ain't no half stepping. You gotta do the whole thing. There I was trying to half step. Nah. There we go. Now that's better. I'm gonna come up here, paste that. Now where it says signature, It's where you put your name. Where it says name right here, we're going to come up and where it says first name, we're going to take this little code right here, copy that. I'm going to insert it right here where it says name. And what that's going to do is that's going to insert the person that you're emailing's name. So it's going to say, hi, Jacob, if you're emailing Jacob, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to skim through here real quick. Okay. Hit the link below to apply for a job. So where it says that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and I'm going to insert the link. Now to get my affiliate link, I need to come back to this page, and where it says promote, we are going to click on promote. So make sure that your account nickname is correct, and you do not need a tracking ID, but I like to track my sales and everything, so I'm going to use MLGS for my lead gen secrets. I'm going to click create hop link. Now there is your link. Copy that link, and whenever people click on that link and buy the product from that link, that's when you will earn a commission. That's how you get paid. So I'm going to insert this link right here. I got this little part highlighted where it says hit the link below to apply for a job. So that's where I will insert my link. Then I'll hit OK. And then where it says country, we're going to erase country, and we're just going to put your area. Because up here, we do not have a code for country. Because that's what it was asking for. Okay, requirements, anything you can install. I'm just skimming through to see any other places where I could throw in some links. Click here to apply now. That's a good place to insert a link. Best wishes. Be sure to click the box perfect timing. I like to preview to make sure my links work. That one works. That one works. All right. That looks good. Looks like we're ready to send it. Now send email. Now that was my first account, and I just sent that out to 28,400 people. Now I want to send the same email out to my other leads with my other account. So the quickest way to do that, do not sign out. Come up here to where it says mailing system on this tab up here. Right click on it and click duplicate. Now sign out of this one, the one that you just duplicated. Log out. And then you're going to log in to your second account. Now we're going to click on mailing system. Click on select all. So all of your leads will come over here. Now on this account, I got 14,300 leads. So we're going to come get the subject from this other tab that we just duplicated. This is why we do this. It's so easy. Everything's already there. And then we'll just select all on the body, erase it, come back to this page. Select all by Control A, and then copy, Control C. Come back over here, hit Control V, copy, hit that. Now what I like to do, since I'm using, this says MLGS. Since this is my second account, I just like to put a little 2 back there for tracking purposes. Okay, and I'll show y'all that the link will still work. It'll just let me know that it's coming from my lead gen secrets, my second account, because I put that 2 back there. So the thing will still open. Close. Send. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's simply all you do with this. And hopefully you'll get a sale. All right. And you also can't email for another 23 hours. So I know people are like, well, how come you just on email all day, every day? You can't. They limit how many times you can email a day. It's once every 23 hours. So, well, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what kind of results I had. Sorry about not coming in yesterday making a video, but like I said, I had something going on and I'll try not to miss another day. So sorry about that. come back and see me tomorrow. Let's check on my results. And you all have a good one. Take care.